In this video, I'll show you how to find your Bybit wallet address. If you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. So the first thing that you need to do is open up and log into your Bybit account. If you don't already have a Bybit account, I'll leave a link down below in the description. And by using my link, you'll get up to $30,000 in bonuses and rewards. After you've logged into your account, you're going to come to a page that looks like this, and you're going to look for the deposit now button. If you don't see the deposit now button, you can also just click on the deposit icon, which for me is right here. And from here, you're going to select the crypto you want to deposit into your Bybit account. You can do that by looking through this list, or you can just search for it in the search bar up top. For this example, we're going to look for ETH, tap on Ethereum. Next, you're going to choose a chain type. You can choose Ethereum ERC20, Arbitrum 1, BEP20, Base Mainnet, and so on. For this example, I'm going to stick to the ERC20 network, and this is your Ethereum deposit address for Bybit on the ERC20 network. And you can just come right over here to these two squares, tap it to copy your address, paste that address into whatever exchange or wallet you're sending your Ethereum from into Bybit. Make sure you meet all minimum deposit requirements, and that's how to find your Bybit wallet address. If you found this helpful, don't forget to give the video a like and subscribe to the channel, as it really helps us out.